I will tell you that microorganisms are classified into four major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and some algae. Viruses are also microscopic but are different from other microorganisms. They reproduce only inside the cell of the host organism. As you know that virus is not harmful outside the body, but it is harmful when it enter into the body of the organisms. That body will be of bacteria, plant, animals or human beings. Disease caused by viruses are cold, influenza, coughs, etc. Polio, chickenpox are also caused by virus. Diseases like dysentery, malaria are caused by protozoa, whereas typhoid and tuberculosis, that is also called TB, are bacterial disease. Now turn the page. These are the microorganisms, pictures of the microorganisms. These are the bacteria. This is algae, Filamentous and Chlamydomonas algae. These are the protozoans, amoeba and paramecium. These are the fungi, that is bread mold, penicillium, aspergillus. Now we will study where do microorganisms live. They live in all types of environment ranging from ice cold climate to hot springs and desert to marshy lands. They are also found inside the bodies of animals including humans. What is the relation between microorganism and us? There are the friendly relations with the microorganism. They are used in preparation of curd, bread and cake. They are also used in cleaning up of the environment. That means they destroy or decompose the harmful substance and make the environment pollution free. And also they increase the soil fertility. You know very well how to prepare the curd. We add a small amount of curd in the milk. That curd has the lactobacillus bacteria that promote the promotion of curd. It multiplies, this bacteria multiplies in milk and convert it into curd. In the same way, we prepare the cheese from the bacteria. Turn the page. There is the yeast. Yeast reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide produce the bubbles and that help to increase the dough. तुसी छोले पूड़ियाँ खाने हो, पूड़ियाँ भटूरे idli, in that you can see how they increase in volume due to the carbon dioxide gas. Commercial use of microorganisms. On large scale, we can prepare the vinegar, alcohol, wine, etc. Yeast is also used to prepare the alcohol and wine. Okay, and also we use these yeast in growing the natural sugar present in grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruits, juices, etc. There is a process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as the fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered fermentation in 1857. फरमेंट ड्रिंक भी आप पींदे हैं, फरमेंटेशन आप घर च भी कर सकते हैं, स्मॉल स्केल ते एल्कोहल प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. मेडिसिनल यूज वी कैन प्रोड्यूस द एंटीबायोटिक फ्रॉम द माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. पेनिसिलिन इज द एग्जाम्पल. What are antibiotics? That are microorganisms that kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganism. Example is streptomycin, tetracycline and erythromycin. Next video I will send you immediately.